My people, I don't come again. With the judgment of the Supreme Court yesterday, with what I have seen so far, and with the statement of Dr. Ikpeazu, the lead counsel of Mr. Peter Obi and Labour Party, I would categorically say that if Peter Obi and Labour Party have all the evidences they need for this tribunal, I believe that victory will triumph at last for Peter Obi and Labour Party. Why? Because the judgment of the Supreme Court yesterday for Adeleke was based on three things: the INEC Form EC8 form, the Beavers machine, and the voters register. These things were required or are required to prove a case, whether there is an overvoting, whether there is a cheating, and all of that. So I believe if Peter Obi and Labour Party have all these evidences, which I believe they have, they really have a very interesting case. Like we all know from the beginning, all the cheating, all the wayo that was carried out at different polling units will come to revelations and the knowledge of Nigerians. The INEC Form EC8, the Beavers machine, and the voters register. So if Peter Obi and his team has all these evidences, which I believe they will have, and the ones they don't have, court will enable them to get the evidences they don't have from the INEC, because it's the INEC that has all these evidences. And from the beginning, we saw that INEC didn't want to give them opportunity to access some of this information. Watch the rest of the video and continue to share it, as we are hopeful, praying for justice to prevail, that the mandate of the people may be restored. God bless you.
Speculations as to what may likely happen at the Supreme Court. While we are still waiting for details of the judgment of the Apex Court, what is it that you also heard from your own lawyers, the lawyers that defended you at the Apex Court? What did they tell you informed the decision of their lordships?
Well, we have a formidable team of lawyers. We have some sons who are very experienced. And during their submission yesterday, they could tell the body language, and they told me that if everything to go by, but the body language, that victory shall be ours today, and they have confirmed it because of their experience that they have. Thank you.
Thank God for the justices of the Supreme Court who came and saw justice and did justice in the matter. This is a long drawn-out case in which the respondent, my client, Governor Adeleke, went all out to ensure that he secured the victory once again after what happened 4 years ago. And then the people gave him the mandate to rule. And that is quite commendable that by the grace of God that we're able to defend that mandate. So we thank in a special way the justice of the Supreme Court who actually saw where the justice of the case was and then ensured that justice was done in the matter. Thank you. Our first reaction is to say that we are very happy. We are very, very glad for the judgment. This is the Supreme Court, and that is the last court. And once the Supreme Court pronounces on an issue, that is the finality of the issue. So many legal issues were raised, which are very fundamental to our electoral jurisprudence, particularly 2022, when the new Electoral Act was passed. So there have been issues of transmission and server. What is the implication? Which one do we rely on? Is it the voters register or the end server? The Supreme Court has settled that today as a mark of finality. You need the voters register, you need the EC8A, you need the Beavers, but the three of them, they are the trinity that can prove overvoting. So they must go together. So today we are very happy because it has thrown more light into the electoral jurisprudence and guidance for not only lawyers and judges, but for the Nigerian community, so that they can understand how the system works, not just talking, but bound by the rules and regulations governing the election. Yeah. That is the position, and we're happy. Thank you.